So today is one day out. I had my surgery yesterday afternoon. I just took the big bandage off, and of course, it's quite swollen and a little bit tight, but it was not nearly as traumatic as I thought it was going to be. Sleeping through the night, I didn't sleep throughout the whole night, but I slept pretty comfortably sitting up. The compression bandage was, tight, but as long as I kept ice on it, it really wasn't, and it was way better than I thought it was going to be. And coming in today and having that compression bandage off is like a huge relief. It feels much, much, much better. And really the only thing I feel at this point is a little bit of soreness where the stitches are and some tightness in my face. It's really not painful at all, and a lot less, even visibly horrible than I thought it was going to be. I expected to see black and blue everywhere, and really it's so much better than I thought it was going to be, and the pain level is very, very low. So I'm really excited to see day by day how this progresses and how the healing goes. But ice is certainly something that feels fantastic, so that's going to be on the agenda. Hi, so today is day 2 post-op, and as you can see, things look a little bit worse than they did yesterday, but they definitely feel a lot better than yesterday. Yesterday we took the compression bandage off, which was a huge relief, but there was still a little bit of soreness and things were kind of hurting still. Today is so much better. Other than the swelling, there's like no pain at all. I mean, if you needed to take an ibuprofen, fine, but there is zero pain today, just a lot of puffiness. And when you use the compresses or ice, it really kind of goes down a little bit. It's getting a little bit itchy, I would say, the areas where the sutures are. So I guess, to me, that's a sign that things are getting better, which seems a very quick healing process here. So I'm kind of excited about that. But there's a lot of progress, it seems, day to day. So I really look forward to, each day coming, and tomorrow this bandage will come off, which I cannot wait, because it is a little bit irritating and itchy. But it seems to be progressing pretty quickly, so I'm really excited about that. I had some expectations that it would be a lot worse than what it really is, so I'm pretty pleased with the way things are healing and going, and like I said, every day is such a huge difference, in the healing process. And Dr. Williams and the staff has been second to none. I yesterday went in to get the compression bandage off and met with everybody, really, I think. I spoke with the nurse and Dr. Williams and the other staff members, and any concerns I had, any questions, which, to me seem like, they might be kind of ridiculous questions, but nothing went unanswered. And they were all there to make sure that I was happy and okay, and I didn't have any issues. So far, so good. This has been an amazing process, and I really can't wait to see what happens tomorrow, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, so short video today because, well, you can see why I don't really want to be on camera. Today is day 3 post-op, and the swelling clearly is a little bit worse today than it was yesterday, and there's black and blue happening that's a little bit worse than it was yesterday too. So the swelling is really kind of tight around my ears, and I can definitely feel it here in my face, probably more than I could yesterday. So I've been going a little bit extra on the ice and supplements and water to try and keep that down. I can definitely kind of feel the tightness in the stitches, which is very uncomfortable. Still not painful. It's just, you can feel it. It's just very tight. And I don't feel the greatest about it because yesterday I thought that, you know, I was making such great progress, and now today it's the way that it is. I can't hear out of one of my ears. I think it's just swollen. I have very tiny ears, so that's probably part of the problem, but I can't hear out of this ear. It's just very muffled. So today's not the greatest day in the world, and I'm getting a little bit of cabin fever. Outside of that, I mean, things are moving along, and I hope that tomorrow, when we meet again, it's not so bad. Again, I'm taking ibuprofen, doing extra ice to try and get this to go away. The bruises are healing. The black and blue, you can see, is turning yellow. So, I mean, that part's going away. It's just the swelling that's a little bit rough today. So, stay tuned and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thanks. Hey everyone. So, today is 1 week since my surgery, and everything is pretty much back to normal. I still have stitches. Those are coming out today. So I'm really kind of excited about that. The only thing really that is left is this little black and blue under my eye. That is it. Still kind of tight behind my ears. I don't know if that has anything to do with the stitches, but really no complaints, and I could not be happier with my face. No more jowls. I love it. And an unexpected side effect here was that my neck got a little bit lifted up. Wasn't going in for that, but it happened, and I'm not complaining. So there's probably still some swelling in here. It's nothing huge. It's nothing crazy. I'm really excited. I'll probably be able to sleep again now once these stitches come out. And that's it. I mean, for 1 week, I could not be happier with the results that I have and the, lack of injury that I've had to deal with. I mean, it's a few days. So I'm still probably going to post some more videos in the upcoming weeks because this swelling will probably go down a little bit more, and there might be some, other small changes as that happens. So thanks, and stay tuned.
Okay, so I was considering surgery. I had really jowls and a sagging jawline. This runs in my family, but I did look a lot older than my age, so I decided I wanted to look into having this procedure done. And of course, just like anything else, I did my research, started looking into it, and there's a lot of options out there. I do have some friends that have had cosmetic procedures, and in talking to them and doing my homework, I decided to come in for a consultation with Dr. Williams, and he was very thorough in his explanation, discussed options, what I could do, what the surgery would be like, what the recovery would be like. And so after all of that, I did decide to have the procedure, and it was amazing from start to finish, from the appointments, the consultation to recovery, follow-up visits. Everything was fantastic. I mean, including the surgery center and the staff, everything was perfect. I look in the mirror today and I could not be happier. I feel like a whole different person, and certainly younger than when I came in here. So I would really highly recommend Dr. Williams and the staff here if you're considering any procedure.